What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Rockstar game launcher is failed to initialize error that is happening for many of the users and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into a step. First one, just go over here the Steam, and right now for me the Rockstar is installed from the Steam. So what we need to do is just click on the add a game, go for add a non-Steam game. Now from here, we need to find where the game is installed. So in my case, like I said, I have downloaded and installed the Grand Theft Auto 5, which means GTA 5 from the Steam. But for some users, this might be downloaded from any other. For example, you might be downloaded from Epic Games or even from the Rockstar directly. So if that's the case, just select the Rockstar and add the Steam game. So you'll be having the Steam game over here like this. And once the game is added, you just need to click on play and you have to try playing the game and you have to check. That's what you have to do. So still if you're having the trouble, then what we need to do is just close everything. Just go over here, search for the run command and press enter. And right now we need to go for services over here .msc and press enter. That's going to take you to this. Now from here go to P, that's going to take you to program over here and you have to scroll down. That is Program Compatibility Assistant. So right click on this one and go for the startup type. We'll go to the properties. Make sure the startup type is automatically delayed one, and also make sure one thing, the service status should be running. If it is stopped, you have to click on the start button and make sure it is running. And once afterwards you have to close this as well. Now we need to relaunch, which means Rockstar should be relaunched. So make sure search for the Rockstar and go for run as administrator and go for yes. So this time the Rockstar will be launching like in a usual way and you'll not be having any kind of errors like launcher failed to initialize. Such error will not be there, just launch it. That's what you have to try. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye bye.